guys, it's Jay here. Today we have the beast of a Bakkie in the VW Amarok. This is the menacing truck known for its power.
Thanks to Anglo Auto in Belgravia Road, Athlone for allowing me to film this car. Check them out at the link in the description below.
The Amarok is the ultimate off-roader with those massive 245, 65, 17 tires and that great towing capability of up to 2,800 kilos. The car is not only a powerful hauler, but it looks pretty good in comparison to most of its competitors, and you can carry your family around in it. It has a massive load bed for a double cab at 2.52 square meters. The Amarok is powered by a 2-liter bi-TDI engine which puts out 177 horsepower or 135 kilowatts and 420 Newton meters of torque at 2000 RPM. High torque at low RPM is what you need for the perfect off-roader. The rear passenger area is actually quite big, and as the Bakkie is tall, it fits taller adults easier. I like the rugged interior with rubber floor mats and harder materials. It makes off-roading better. No one likes steering soft materials and muddy wool carpets. That rugged yet quality VW interior continues in the front. Off-roaders, in my opinion, should be designed to be tough, like this Amarok, not all soft and luxurious. The Amarok comes with an electronic locking rear differential, as well as hill descent control. I like the simple and easy to understand layout of everything, unlike a lot of modern cars where it will take you an age to learn everything about the car. You get the same good-looking leather steering wheel with gloss black inserts and spokes. You will find this on most of VW's range. The Amarok also comes with a traditional blade key, like most other VWs, and it sounds like a traditional diesel. The Amarok doesn't seem to sacrifice anything to be a good off-roader and a mighty hauler. It's definitely worth considering.
Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to subscribe. Cheers!